Shenzhen Tong'er Cultural Technology Company is a high-tech enterprise in the field of manufacturing and retails, supplying and producing high-quality educational soundbooks and toys. We have been producing quality soundbooks and educational toys since 2014, and some of our soundbooks are hot sale in China-famous B2C platforms like Jingdong, Tmall, and Douyin. And we began exporting from 2020. Our company offers original soundbooks and translating into different languages for OEM and ODM service. We aim to offer you one-stop service and making your own brand for soundbooks through our help. All the products we produce comply with CE, ROHS, FCC, EN71, KC, ASTM, CCC standards. We have the strict quality control system to ensure that our products meet the global market demand. Our factory has branded printing machine, paper cutting machine, automatic flatting and automatic punching machines, as well as die cutting automatic machines. We use high-quality paper and original chips for our soundbooks to ensure the quality. We are always open for possible cooperation and partnership from all over the world. Welcome to contact us for OEM and ODM order service.
Because young, we have nothing. Because we are young, we will have everything. Work hard to make our better life. Work hard to be the best. Supplier, we are here waiting for you. We are here waiting for you.
We are here waiting for you.